Dear AI aspiring engineers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Project. Today we try to see a tricky interview question asked in a Python round, and that is the first technical round. The position is the Python developer, data analyst, machine learning, data science, deep learning, generative AI, app development by using the Streamlit or Flask or ML ops. Around the data, the position is around the data. Now you can see what are the questions it has been asked. The first one, you can see it on the screen. It is nothing but the dictionary. What is the difference, or which one is right or which one is wrong? So in the first round of a technical, what they try to play with us, technical questions or confusing questions, tricky questions only they try to ask, and based on that one we try to move, or they will move to the next round. So if you understand this one, the list and list, it's a value, but if you see 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, the second one will be the list, the first one will be the, you can say it is a tuple. Tuple can be used as a key, but the list cannot be used as a key. The definition or the dictionary will work like as a key value pair. This is the key and this is the value. Now let us see how it is doing. The first one, 1 2 3 and a list, I have given dictionary and I am running this one, you can see it. I am running the second one, you can see unhashable type list. So you can see unhashable type. Okay, so now you can see the same. Now second question, what is the difference between the string index function or method and a string find method? What that interviewer want to check in this question mean whether have you gone to all the methods or important methods of any strings you want to test. And if two methods it has been there, it was asking difference. If both are doing the same, what is the delta between the index and find? Index and find from the given string, if you find the string, it will try to give an index. But if substring is not find in the major string, the find will give the -1, but the index will try to show the value error. Without delay we try to execute it. So now this is the string is the omkar, you can see index m is the substring, and you can see both it will try to give the index. The first index it will try to give. Now the second one, you can see it on the here z it is not there. Let me execute it. Find, it has given -1, but the index it has some value error. So it will throw the error, exceptional error, that is a value error. So that is the difference between the index and the find methods of any string. Now let us move to the fourth one, pandas join. So from Python slowly he has moved to the pandas, data wrangling, data analyzing, or data frame, or a series. What are the operations we try to perform on the given data set or a data frame? The pandas is a very important package. Now we move to the pandas and asking about the join with the context of an SQL join. So now we try to create two dictionaries and we are creating a two data frames. You can see it on this screen. X1 is the column 1, Y1 will be the column 2, X2 and Y1. See, you can see there is one column name should be the same. Column name should be the same. like as an foreign key and always a primary key. So similarly, one column name it has to be in a same, and we can do the merge, pd dot merge a b. How left mean a will be taken the priority on y1. The column y1 should be the common column name, so column name should be also the same, and whichever is there on the left, if it is there on the right, it will try to take the rest of the things, it will try to make as NaN. If you see on y1, a and b is there on the second one also, but on c you don't find, that is NaN. Similarly on the right, and you can see the inner mean intersection, there is no NaN because it is and outer it is a both, it has been merged. Okay, now we are moving on to the next question. Maximum number finding in a given list. Maximum number finding in a given list. So this is the list, and we are calling like a function maximum number and giving the list. Written the maximum value of given list. This is called as in a f string or in a doc string, which will explain what this function does. And if given list length is greater than 0, the first value we are indicating the max, and we are rotating one by one in a for loop from 1 to length of the list, and if the given value is greater than the max value, we are assigning and rotating. Now let us run this one. You can see else, so we try to put this one. Okay, 67. The same question without using the max number function, whatever you have written, asked to do with a lambda. Lambda is anonymous function, so I am taking, and with the help of the reduce, see x comma y, x if x greater than y, else y, and I have given the list. So this max number can be printed. You can see. Now there is a calculation between 2 points. The point length will be the 2. So like a x1 y1 x2 y2, which have studied earlier. A distance between the 2 points, which is nothing but the Euclidean distance. If both the lengths are same and the length it is a 2, then I am going on to here. First of all, x1 y1 x2 y2, so this value I am subtracting from here. This index is 0, this index is 0, and I am doing the power plus the same thing I am doing over here, and I am doing the square root and returning the d mean distance, square root of, I am taking the difference and making the square plus adding the other one, and finally I am doing the square root. So like this I am executing. And there is a tricky question. A is 0, what will be the value? There are 4 combination, it will be there. Here 0, second one 0 plus 0j, or third one will be the 0j. Okay, and yeah, none of the above, none. So what could be your answer? This will be the very tricky question. Someone will say 0 0 plus 0j 0j. So anyway, it is 0, nothing make much sense, but they want to test you whether you have the memory or not, or you have stored the things or not. So 0j will be the answer, or 0 plus. So we try to check this one. 0j, only this part it will try to come. Now this is the string. A plus a is how much they try to ask, or you can see a into 2. So both these things will come 1 2 3 1 2 3. You can see the strings mean it is doing this thing. So like this in a Python they try to test you. These are the corner case, confused case, error in involved cases, confusing cases, tricky cases, corner cases that they try to ask in the first round of an interview to eliminate or to filter you enter into the next round. So for this one you need to have it as a vigorous exercising and remembering the concepts and practicing in such a way that you will try to win in the interview. This is the only the tip I have. And those who are interested in a Python, machine learning, data science, deep learning, generative AI, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and refer those who are preparing for a Python, data analyst, machine learning, data science, deep learning, generative AI, app development by using the Streamlit or Flask or ML apps. Those are preparing for these positions, please try to refer or share the channel links with them so they will get benefited and you are doing the needful at the needy hour. Thank you very much, and we try to meet in the next video.